I'll be watching you.
Must admit, the smell of fresh air is much more pleasing than the odor of the hot dog machine.
Official police business. I'd tell you where I'm going, but then I'd have to tell you.
The meter has been running since I saw you. That is okay with me. Thank you. Come again.
You sure know how to speed.
I am having so much fun.
Take me to the Gilded Truffle. I feel like beating up swells.
Get ready for the ride of your life. Thank you. Come again.
I had no idea you could drive so fast.
Get in the car, please. I have many places to go today.
To the arcade, please! Time to spend my mom's alimony!
Here we go. Take a penny, leave a penny.
All right! That was great!
I am having so much fun.
Take me to the dating service. Willie's lonely.
That is okay with me. Another satisfied customer.
I still ain't tipping you. I'm Scottish.
The meter has been running since I saw you.
Silly person. Primary reason that you are picking me up right now is that according to the laws of physics, I cannot occupy two different spaces at the same time.
Get ready for the ride of your life. Now I must hurry to the next customer.
That was faster than the speed of light.
Whoa, dude, I'm glad you came along.
Get in the car, please. I have many places to go today. Here we go.
Whoa, where did that come from?
Farewell, honored passenger.
See you around, brother.
I am having so much fun.
Hello there. Could you take me to the nearest eating establishment?
That is okay with me.
Faster, you moron.
Perhaps I should refrain from doing that in the future. Another satisfied customer.
You're a disgrace. But Quimby,
Hello, Mrs. Simpson. Welcome to my humble automobile.
Smells like chutney.
Get ready for the ride of your life.
Oh, thank heaven someone finally stopped.
Now I must hurry to the next customer.
Nice riding with you.
Hello, Mr. Homer. It is good to see you.
and it's good to see you, my price-jacking Hindu friend. I need to go to the Flying Dutchman. They've got all-you-can-eat chum. Chum!
Here we go. Move your clumsy vehicle. Take a penny, leave a penny.
Way to ignore the speed limit.
Get in the car, please. I have many places to go today.
Take me to the music store. I need a Jew's harp.
Here we go. Get out of the way. Oh, I smashed my skull. Oh, no. Thank you. Come again.
Well, that was adequate.
Perhaps I should refrain from doing that in the future. The meter has been running since I saw you.
To the arcade, please. Conquest of enemy forces awaits.
Get ready for the ride of your life.
Get him, Smithers. You haven't seen the last of me.
Oh, your misfortune is most entertaining. Farewell, honored passenger.
That ride was adequate.
The meter has been running since I saw you.
Dating service, please.
I'm a very lonely man. That is okay with me. Oh, dear. Thank you. Come again. See you later. I am having so much fun.
Can you ferry me to the Flying Dutchman? I like to watch the landlubbers chow down.
That is okay with me. Oh, no. Thank you. Come again.
We'll see you around then.
Get in the car, please. I have many places to go today.
You're a lifesaver. The school concert is tonight, and I need a reed for my saxophone.
Here we go. Take a penny, leave a penny.
Finally! I thought we were never gonna get here.
Vishnu, here I come.
Hi, Apu. Let's do this thing. Take me to the Googleplex. I am dying to see Look Who's Oinking.
Get ready for the ride of your life.
Whee!
I can see my house from here.
Get him, Smithers.
Now I must hurry to the next customer.
Oh, this sucks.
I am having so much fun.
Take me to some grub. I got the munchies.
That is okay with me. Thank you. Come again.
You totally rock.
Get in the car, please. I have many places to go today.
Take me away from this den of iniquity to where I care not.
Here we go.
The Lord may have patience, but I do not.
I feel like an untouchable.
Hey, your rating is...
Speed freak.